Hi, it's Mark out here with you today at the range. I'm here today to get a good workout in. I'm gonna get some exercise, and that's really not a joke, because what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to do a workout like I have been doing. This is something I haven't done a video on, but there will be more to come. I'll be actually putting a section on my website for this particular type of shooting event out at the range, and it will be something that will benefit a lot of you. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to train here. I'm going to shoot, but I'm going to work out at the same time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to load my body up. I'm going to put stress on my body, physical stress. I'm going to be running, I'm going to be doing push-ups, I'm going to be lifting some weights and loading up, fatiguing my body, and then going over, grabbing the guns and shooting these targets out here. And I've got some serious lighting issues. Hopefully this will all come out the way I need it to as far as the lighting goes. Got sun coming in over a berm over here. I've got 2 cameras set up, so hopefully we'll get all of it and it'll turn out right. But this is just a demonstration. This is pretty basic, but this is a demonstration of how you can train while you're shooting, and you can get a good workout in. If you're trying to figure out how to do both in your life and they don't fit, do them at the same time. Loading your body up, stressing your body physically, then picking up your gun and practicing shooting under stress. It could be a lifesaver someday in case you ever have to use your gun if the unthinkable happens. So let's get going here with a good workout and a shooting session here at the range. There's 2 times up and back, 1 more time on the dumbbells. This time I'm going to double down. I put on a 20-pound weight vest. I'm going to do the same thing. The push-ups, running back and forth twice, push-ups again. Then I'm going to be running here and I'm going to be shooting primarily for the 3 heads on that silhouette target. So we'll see what happens. If you don't think that makes it harder, try it. This is the final run. This time I'm going to do the push-ups like I have been. Then I'm going to get up and I'm going to pick the dumbbells up and I'm going to run down and back with them. I'm only going to do that once because I'll be carrying 50 pounds. I'll drop the dumbbells back down, do some push-ups just flat on the ground. I'll pick them up and I'll lift them a few different ways just to fatigue my arms. Then I'm gonna be grabbing one gun over here and just running the targets to shoot whatever I want to shoot. So here we go, third and final round. If you're young, you can do this. If you're like me, you can do this. The important thing is to start out slow. Start out with just a few things. Do it with body weight only, a few resistance exercises, and go from there. Just like working up in any other kind of physical activity, it's important to do that here too. I just went to the limit for myself, but this is a great way to shoot under stress. And what I saw there is my aim is not the greatest, my pinpoint accuracy is not the greatest, but even under these conditions, I can still keep those rounds in a tactical area where if I had to defend myself under great physical stress, that would come to me fairly naturally. Get out and get your fitness on. Have a good range session while you do it. There'll be more to come. I'm Mark, and I'll see you soon.